What's up, guys? How are you guys doing there? I'm here outside of Rebel. I think this is Cabana. You know, I've never been to Cabana before. Yeah, but we're outside because inside they're just warming up. It's a little loud in there. Everybody's getting ready for the Wizkid concert. This is his first concert in Toronto in about 7 years. So I'm media tonight, so I'm gonna take you guys around and you guys are gonna see what I see, all right? Catch up with me in a bit.
Bless you with body, oh baby, oh. Star boy go bless you with money, oh my girl. Bless you with body, oh baby. Oh, star boy go bless you with money, oh my girl. Yeah, sucker, 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 baby. Sucker, 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 sucker. Oh, yeah, give him lock up, lock up, lock up, lock up. Yo, 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 oh, yeah, give him baby. Sucker, sucker, sucker. Oh, when I come through, like something come on. Just people around me. Boy, I just say, hold on. Every time I try, all that I do is too much charging. All I do, I don't feel better than anybody. All I do, tell me a secret. All I do, stay for me, girl, stay. All I believe, I'll put you in my life. Yeah, your hair smell like a tropical body look nice. Oh, so what's up that hole? You gotta go twice, 3 times, 4 times. Oh, make some noise for Wizkid! I love you so much, turn the camera, man.
Go outside. Big time forward.